How to rearrange home screen icons on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, tap and hold on an empty space on your home screen, and after a second all the icons and widgets on your screen will start jiggling. Now you can tap and hold on any icon and you can drag it where you want to place it, and you can also drag the icon from one page to another. So to move an icon, tap and hold on it and then drag it to the edge, and then it will take you to the next page. Now you can see the icon is moved from this screen to this screen. You can also move widgets, and you can also move the widget to another screen. So that's how you can change or rearrange the home screen icons on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.